Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'll teach you how to play the praise and worship song, Trading My Sorrows, written by Darrell Evans. Just a great song to learn and to sing together. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord chart that I'll be using for this lesson. So let's get started. I'm trading my sorrow, I'm trading my shame, I'm laying them down for the joy of the Lord. Alright, very easy song to learn. It uses the chords of G and then C add 9, D major, E minor, F. Okay, those are the chords that'll be using this song. On the verses and the chorus, you're just using the same chord progression. G, going back and forth to G, C add 9, E minor, D. Okay, let's take a quick review on how to play these chords. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then your 3rd finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then your little finger on the 1st string of the 1st fret. And pretty much on this G major chord and the C add 9, we're going to keep these 2 fingers planted on these first 2 strings. Okay, so this is what I call the 4-finger G. Strum all strings. This is G major. Okay, for C add 9, you keep these 2 fingers planted where they're at. You just simply move these 2 fingers down 1 string. Okay, so finger number 1 will be on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 2 will be on string number 5 of the 3rd fret. Okay, and then strum all the strings but the top E string. That is C add 9. So move the fingers up 2, that's G major, strumming all strings, move these 2 fingers down 1 string each, strum all the strings but the top E string, C add 9. Okay, next we'll want to play E minor, just simply place finger number 2 on string number 4, place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, strum all strings, E minor, E minor. Okay, and then last will be D major. Okay, to play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. That is D major, okay? So again, the chord progression, if you look at this, we're going to be G major, C add 9, E minor, okay? So, okay, the strumming pattern for this song, I'm just going to keep it simple and use down, up strokes 4/4 time. So it'll be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it'll be 4/4 time, 4 beats per measure. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay. So if we look at the verse chord progression, it goes, I'm trading my sorrow, I'm trading my shame. Okay, if you notice, I'm hitting the D just a little bit earlier, so it's I'm trading my sorrow, hitting the D on the upstroke. Okay, I'm trading my sorrow, I'm trading my shame, I'm laying them down for the joy of the Lord. Okay, that's the first half of the verse. And then the second half of the verse is just the same chord progression. I'm trading my sickness, I'm trading my pain, I'm laying them down for the joy of the Lord. Okay, pretty easy. Down, up, C add-9, E minor. Same thing. Okay, pretty simple. Now let's look at the chorus. We're going to be using the same chords, same chord progression, okay? So we go, we say yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord, amen. Okay, let's look at that one more time. We say yes, Lord, E minor, B, G, C add-9, E minor, D, G, C add-9, E minor, D. Okay. Okay, let's look at the second verse. It's the same chord progression. Using the same chords, same rhythm. However, when we get down toward the end, we're going to be hanging on to that D major chord just a little bit longer, and we're going to also be inserting that F major chord in there. So let's look at this, and we'll go through it real slow. I am pressed, be not crushed, persecuted, not abandoned, struck down but not destroyed. I am blessed beyond the curse, for His promise will endure, but His joy is gonna be my strength. Okay, right there, you wanna hang on. You wanna hang on to the D a little bit longer. You wanna hold it a couple of measures there. So that His joy is gonna be my strength. Though the sorrow may last through the night, His joy comes in the morning. Okay, let's look at the second verse again, okay? I am pressed but not crushed, persecuted, not abandoned, struck down but not destroyed. I am blessed beyond the curse, for His promise will endure, that His joy is gonna be my strength. Then hang on to the D major. Though the sorrow may last through the night, His joy comes in the morning. I'm trading my sorrow, I'm trading my shame, I'm laying them down for the joy of the Lord. Then you just do the second half of the verse, and then you can sing the chorus again. A lot of people will sing that chorus over several times. We say, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. If you like this video and like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button after the video. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation, just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. You'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. I want to thank all my current subscribers as well. Thank you for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.